Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is May 17th, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market followed through on Thursday. Now it's in a confirmed rally phase, and therefore I started long index ETFs as well as the leading stocks, plus the previously longed oil ETF. Let's take a look at indices and their charts. German DAX index is still in a downtrend. It's below 50-day moving average. US NASDAQ, look at here. On Thursday, volume is higher than previous day, and the market went up 1.4%. That's a follow-through day. The definition of the follow-through day is counting start from day 2 of the, day 4 of the attempted rally all the way to day 21. Any of those period of time, if you have a one day major index go up more than 1.2% plus the volume higher than previous day, that's a follow-through day. That happened on Thursday. This is a day 1 when market made a low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days. On the 6 days, market had an attempted rally. So we have a follow-through day, basically. When we're in the uptrend, we can buy stock now. Mid-cap did the same on about 50-day moving average. Small cap is kind of weaker than the large cap. Large cap, and it's almost like making a new high right now. It's close to the previous high. So this is a SP 500. Well, it didn't have a follow-through, but it's NASDAQ had a follow-through. Any of the major index had a follow-through, then it's a follow-through. Gold index, and looks like gold might try to break out from this downtrend. It break out from this little consolidation range. It tried to go up. Let's wait and see. Silver index, silver also tried to reverse. This 200-day moving average has been kept the silver going to the downtrend. If this thing can reverse, especially if a 50-day moving average can cross above 200-day moving average, that would be a good news. Gold mining stock ETF has a short-term uptrend here. US dollar turned down very quickly. It broke down 96 and now it keep going down. Right now it's 93. So US dollar had this is a double head and it just broke down support, and looks like US dollar long term is going down. The trend has changed. Crude oil price, the trend has changed right here from previous downtrend to the uptrend right now. So the crude oil right now is still in the uptrend here. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index still in the uptrend, but the consolidating right here. Those are the China Asia ETFs, ASHS uptrend. CNXT, another ETF, China Asia uptrend. FXI, China ETF as well, and consolidating. YINN, this is 3 times China index, and right now it's consolidating. US real estate ETF, it's in downtrend. Couple price uptrend. MBB, this is a real estate mortgage bond price, and it looks like it broke support. It's coming down. It's on let's see if it can go back above 50-day moving average. It's a significant to watch this one. If the bond price cannot go above 50-day moving average, it keep going down, that means mortgage interest rate is gonna go up. So that's mortgage interest rate trend may have changed if that happened. So I'm watching the bond price and to see if the bond price can go back up, go back to the previous uptrend, which means interest rate keep going down. If that does not happen, if the bond price keep going down, then interest rate will go up. Semiconductor ETF consolidating right here, but overall it's still in the uptrend. Social media ETF rebound from previous sharp pullback. Right now it's just rebounding. This is a solar stock ETF. Fund support at 50-day moving average. Try to rebound there. This is oil ETF, USO, same as a crude oil, and it's going the short-term uptrend. But we have to watch this little support, around $20. If it cannot hold $20, it may go down. But if it can rebound, like Friday, it rebound from $20, it has a hope to go up. This is energy ETF consolidating here. Financial ETF, this is a very good looking chart. It consolidating and try to go up. So financial ETF is very important to watch because financial sector tend to lead the general market. Okay, let's take a look at a few stocks. And first list of the stocks broke out, but they're still in the buy range. MCK, SC, AutoSalon, ULTA, and Visa. And second list of the stocks in the building a base, and they're about to break out. Skyworks. And third list, those are the list. This is a watch list. Stocks possibly turn around. GoPro. Fourth list are the stocks in uptrend, but they're too high to buy right now. AYI, MLM, Palo Alto Networks, PANW, and Data, and Umbrella, AMBA. I'm going to show you the leadership chart. This is a IBD's chart, and this you can see clearly about the trend. First is MCK. This McKinsey Corp. This company, it's in a car rental business, and they are breaking out here on Wednesday. Even before the market had a follow through, this stock broke out. So it's leading the market. It's a very nice chart. Breakout buy range all the way to $244.43. So right now it's still in the buy range. Another stock I like to take a look is also a new introduction, SC. Santander Cons USA Holdings. Anyhow, this is in drug distribution business, and right now it's wait a second. I'm not quite sure what business this is in. I guess you have to check it out. Anyhow, right now it break out above 23.72. That's the breakout point, pivotal point. Buy range all the way to $24.90. So barely in the buy range. If you look at the weekly chart, it's a new IPO. It's a went IPO on 2014. And it has the first base after IPO. It's a cup with a handle. So this is the first base. And when they break out from the base, the volume is pretty high. That means there is institution support. So this stock, it's a buy. It's still in the buy range. AutoSalon, ULTA. And broke out here, but pull back again. And it's finding support around $150. So this broke out point is 156. Right now it's 150. So it's below the buy point. Visa. Visa had a buy point breakout here and pull back, and now it's breakout again. So it's regained the buy point around $70. Actually, $69.76. That's a buy point. Okay, let's take a look at another stock which is building a base, Skyworks Solution. Skyworks Solution, right now it's building this base, and $102.87. That's a buy point. And let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, it didn't say how many stage. This is stage 1. It didn't say which stage it is. So anyhow, this is stage 1, and then another buy point, and then 3-week tight, and then it's making a base again. So anyhow, $102.87. This is a watch out. Watch out for this one. And let's take a look at GoPro. GoPro stock, and from the trend point of view, it's still consolidating in a downtrend, but it broke above 50-day moving average and right here, and 50-day moving average cross above 200-day moving average. So this is a golden cross. The midterm to long-term trend has reversed to the upside, and when they went up, and the volume is pretty high. So this is on my watch list. Okay, let's take a look at the fourth list stock. Those stocks are in a uptrend, but they're out of the buy point. AYI, this is doing the LED product, and the buy point is $172. Right now, it's more than 5% of that buy point, so it's too late to buy. But if you bought it before at this breakout, or even better here, and this is another buy point, if you bought it on all these various breakout point, congratulations, and this stock is still going up and it's worth holding. Another stock, MLM, this is also broke out previously, broke out here, buy point, and then $136 one buy point, $146 another buy point. Right now it's more than the 5% of the $146. So there's no buy point and too late to buy. But if you bought it before, hold on to it. Another thing is Palo Alto Networks. Palo Alto Networks, actually this one had a very good uptrend, and IBD is telling you it's more than 20% from the previous breakout point. The last breakout point is $129.52, and this point is 20% from that breakout point. And 20% is a profit taking point. It is because most stocks, once they reach 20% of breakout from the breakout pivotal point, they tend to do some kind of correction, or pullback. So there's no reason to let your profit go away. So recommendation for short-term or mid-term investors taking profit and 20% profit from the breakout pivotal point. But I didn't buy this, so this stock is not my holding. So just let you know. Another stock is Data Tableau Software, and breakout point is right here, $99, and 20% profit taking is close to 120. So right now it's 110. So if you bought it, hold on to it. If you haven't bought it, too late to buy. So there's nothing to do. Umbrella is another very strong stock. Friday it break out from this consolidation range. But if you look at weekly chart, Umbrella has a late stage base here, fourth stage base. They have so many base breakout. The first stage here, second stage here, third stage, and cup with a handle. It actually had 2 cups here, and then fourth stage. So this stock, there's no buy point right now. So it's just on my watch list. So anyhow, that's all for the stocks. What to do in current market? And may long the stocks as they break out from a base, and also may long the index ETF because market is in an uptrend. That's all for this week. See you next week.